With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in compound pendulum, if the suspended point and the center of oscillation are mutually interchanged, then no change is obtained in the time period. Statement 2 says here that the length of the equivalent simple pendulum remains same in both the cases. So if you take a compound pendulum, right, let's say this is the point of suspension and this is the center of oscillation, and the distance between them is d, right, and they are interchanged. Suspension, and the second is the center of oscillation, right? So this is the center of oscillation. So if you see here, the oscillation depends on this d, right? So if I write down the time period, it will be equals to 2 pi under root mgd by I, right? So if you compare this with a normal simple pendulum, right, so basically if you see here, unless this distance d will not change, the time period will not change. So if you see here, the reason said here that the length of equivalent simple pendulum, right? So simple pendulum, we know that in case of simple pendulum, what we write down, it is 2 pi under root L by G, right? And you can also see here, you can just replace this complex system by a single mass connected with a string of length d, right? So in both the cases, the length of the equivalent simple pendulum will remain the same, right? So the reason is the correct explanation as well, and both the statements are true. So A is the correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.